So toe piano is one of the ultimate tests for your foot dexterity. That is a really fun one to explore, especially once you've already done a lot of the foot restoration work, so wearing the wild toes and mobilizing your feet with the plantar release, and also working on those toe lifts. So we don't need any special equipment, it's just you and your toes, and I'm going to start with a normal toe lift, so lifting all of your toes up off the ground, and then the piano part is where you're placing your pinky toes down first, then ring toes, middle toes, second toes, and then to your big toes, and trying to get as much splay as you can actively, and then reversing that process. So big toes up, second toes, middle toes, ring toes, and pinky. We'll go one more time. So you'll start to feel that this really activates a lot of muscles in your feet. It can be very challenging. It can also be quite frustrating at first if you're struggling with the coordination, but just work with what you've got. If it feels a bit jerky and uncoordinated at first, that's fine. Just try your best. You may need to work more on the toe lifts or the toe rolls or the human toe spreader before you can build up to this, and that's fine too, but it's a really good test to keep coming back to, and a good exercise. Once you can do it, it's a good exercise to use as part of your daily routine. So maybe 5 or 6 of these is a good place to start as a session, and you can do obviously more if you like as your tolerance builds up.